Hello, this is Ricky, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm here to bring you the first impressions of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, this device is really big. It even seems big to me compared to the S20 Plus that I was laying around for a while, but I've gotten a chance to check it out a little over 24 hours now, playing with it, seeing how it is, and overall, I will say I have been impressed by my biggest concern, which is the camera. The camera images seem to do a lot better, no focusing issues this time around. The low light is really good. The performance is really good when it comes to it. I am recording multiple videos as well, so you will see them on the channel. The video was really impressive to me in just how it looked. I did one at 4K at 60 frames per second, and I'll do another 8K at 24 frames per second, just to give you the overall range and daytime and nighttime videos as well, so subscribe to check out all of those. The other thing that I really have to say that I missed, and I already used it within the first 24 hours, is the S Pen. I'm telling you, I always use it on a day-to-day basis, and it really is just because I tend to highlight a lot of text, copy and paste, and the S Pen is so much better than any other device when it comes to that. It's something that no other phone can do. Even phones that have stylus do not do it the same way. And I think it just is a cut above the rest when it comes to that. So very, very happy to get that back. The battery life has been okay, but to be fair, I haven't done my full setup process yet. So that's the other part, is I've seen a little bit of slowdown in comparison to my S20 Plus. However, at the same time, I will say that I haven't done all my speed up revisions. So if you guys know me, you guys know I can make the phone twice as fast and the battery life almost 3 hours longer. So we will be doing those videos, and because I haven't recorded them yet, I haven't set them up yet. Very happy though with the performance thus far. This screen, of course, is just the best, period. Like, there's nothing really to that. The screen quality is going to be better than any other smartphone out there. It just looks amazing, it feels great, and yeah, have no issues whatsoever with it. Overall, I have been liking my experience in this, but in the back of my head, I am thinking already, should I get the Fold 2 instead of this or beside it? So that's the question that I'm really going to be trying to answer over these next 2 weeks, is figuring out, will I stick with the Note? It's my first love when it comes to smartphones. I really do just love my time with these phones, but should I go for the Fold, something new, innovative, different, and completely original, really? Very curious to what you guys think in terms of it. In terms of the smartphone industry, I think the Note is continuing its standard. We'll have to wait and see till the full review to really see if the battery life is better. I'm already hearing the battery life isn't as good as the S20 Ultra was, which it has a 500 milliamps less battery, so I expect it to be less. But very curious, because the S20 Ultra had the best battery life of any smartphone we've ever reviewed or done a battery life test for. So very curious to see how it will do, especially coming from a phone that was the Pixel 4a that had amazing battery life without the huge size. So lots of things I can't wait to test out with this device. But what do you guys want to see? Do you guys want to see it compared to other Android devices, compared to an iPhone? When we get the new iPhone 12, we will of course use it in comparison to it. But what do you want to see most from this besides the hidden features, how to speed up, how to get more battery life? All those are coming, including a lot of case videos. We have gotten a lot of cases, and of course, you know I already have the Whitestone Dome Glass screen protector on here, because the screen protector that comes with it is not good. And just, I will say, there was a definite lower quality in terms of the unboxing experience. I didn't even like the way the video came out because it was just so bad. Like like there was stuff on it. The seal, they don't even put a good screen protector on it anymore. So it was just really kind of downgrading from previous years. So we'll see how that turns out, but you definitely need to get a screen protector for this phone, because the one that comes with it is literally meant to be thrown out immediately. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What do you expect from this device, and what should it do for this price? Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been Ricky, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.